So if you're looking for any product that will help you to strengthen your hair, preserve it from shedding, then this leave-in conditioner is what you need. Really, you don't have to wash this out, you just have to enjoy it because it relaxes, it prevents your hair from shedding, it also softens your hair, it strengthens your hair strand, and all you need is just a few ingredients. The main ingredient here is just two, and it is this fenugreek that we are soaking. Okay, this is me measuring my fenugreek seed, just 2 spoons of it, and then I'm going to add my water to it. Okay, not hot water, just add water to it to soak. While I soak it, so that all the nutrients can be absorbed inside the water, and it softens it. If you know, fenugreek is on the hard side, but soaking it softens it and also gets out all the nutrients that you need. So you leave it for overnight if you so wish. You can leave it for hours, but this is overnight. I soaked this. You can see how it is looking. All the water and the seed have come together. So this is my blender. I incorporated it into the blender, and here is my flaxseed. I had already extracted the gel. As you can see, I put the gel aside, and then this is the leftover. Okay, so if you have a leftover just flaxseed in your freezer, do not waste it. You can make use of it. This is it. It's blended. Okay, one thing I will tell you here is you can add more water to it if you want. If you want the consistency to be light, all right. Sometimes I make it light, depends on how I want it. Why sometimes like this is thick. I think this is a thicker texture I have gotten so far in my fenugreek and flaxseed recipe. So you can make it a little more lighter by adding extra water to it and blend, and you're good to go. So use whatever sieve you have, cloth. If it is lighter, I think it can also go through a sieve. So this is me. I kind of struggled a little because it was very thick, as you can see, and I got what I wanted, and I was so happy. Okay, what was left after all this is just the chaff. You will see it. Man, this hair butter is awesome. This hair butter is, I've not seen any homemade leave-in condition that softens your hair as this one will do. Okay, and it doesn't just soften, it's something that helps you on your hair growth journey, because we all know the work of flaxseed and that of fenugreek. So here, after all is done, as you can see, it is on the thick side, but it's okay. That's how I wanted it. Now I'm adding in my grapeseed oil. Okay, you can use any oil of your choice. This is a lemon oil. Incorporating into it and all of that. I added a lot of them. Onion oil you can add to it. If you have rosemary oil, you can incorporate into it. If you have got any, this is a jojoba. Okay, this is a cocoa butter oil, and then my lavender oil to give it a good smell. And here is my vitamin E also added into it, and I got everything mixed. Okay, this is me mixing. If you want to use your mixer to do that, you can as well do that, and you are good to go. So at the end of it all, I have my leave-in condition. Look at that. Look at that. No single seed at all. And this guy is so good. The aroma from it, man, is just so beautiful. I love it. After using this, just leave it inside the freezer, not the fridge. Unless you have added preservatives, then you're good to go. It can stay for 6 months inside your freezer. So what I use it for, I use it to detangle my hair, and also use it for braiding my hair. Okay, twist. If you want to do twist, good. Here my hair is on protective style, which was a twist, so I just wanted to soften it. I use this leave-in condition. I just use it to apply on my hair. Use it to moisturize your hair if you want, twice a week, thrice a week. Spray your liquid water or hairspray tea, and then apply this guy. I didn't even need to spray because this guy softened the hair immediately. The last video you will see inside at the end of this video is my daughter's hair. I was braiding her hair, so I don't need all this gel that I use to twist your hair. So this is what I use. Put it on my daughter's hair, softened it to the letter, and her hair was good to go, and I had to braid it. Some people ask me, why don't your daughter cry when you make your hair? I don't make her hair dry. I use this leave-in condition to soften the hair before making. Guys, see my hair. This hair is so long, but shrinkage makes it look like well, it's good. They say the shrinkage means that your hair is healthy. Okay, so this is me here just twisting, and remember to tuck in your ends, okay, so that it doesn't get to break off. So I had to tuck it in, and then I loosened all my hair. I still use this. As you can see, it's a leave-in condition. After all the oil had been mixed into it, you see it gets softer. So when adding extra water, you have to also, if you're going to add oil at the end of it, you have to also be careful so that you don't make it too watery. But it's okay even if it's too watery. It's what you want, no problem. All right, so I use this to moisturize all my twists, all my braid. If you're on braid, you can use it, and it let my hair very soft. Anyone that touches my hair will be like, your hair is very soft, your hair smells nice, your hair is, I'm like, this is the secret. So I'm including it today so that people can see. And also my daughter's hair. If you have a little child, you don't want to be dragging their hair strands with and all of that, this is what you need. Okay, I have made videos on explaining the hair benefits of fenugreek and flaxseed. You can check out that and learn more about them. More videos are coming up, guys. This is holiday season, so I'm full-time with the children, so editing videos and uploading may not be that often, so please don't leave me. Okay. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here, and if this is your first time coming across my videos, please do well to subscribe. Like this video, guys. Everyone, please like, subscribe, share out if you don't mind, and stay glued on the notification bell, please. More videos are coming up, trust me. Do well to check them out, and you will get value from them. This is my daughter, just relaxed and look at the living condition, soften the hair, and did the job. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this point, please do well to like. I will see you again in my next video. God bless you. Thank you. Bye.